Hello friends, this is Jitendra Bafna. Today we will going to see M-unit testing with MuleSoft. So first question is what is M-unit testing? M-unit testing is a testing framework which allow you to testing your integrations and API automatically. So basically when the M-unit testing is more useful. So basically like you have create the application, you have deployed that application to the production. In future you are getting some enhancement or any changes you have to do. So whatever like you have, like you can automatically test all the previously created MU test and even the whatever new changes you have done. So this is one of the advantage of MU testing. It automatically tests all your test cases. So today we will going to see the MU testing part 1. Okay. So first we will start with a simple thing. So let me create one new application, new project. Okay. So I will create like m unit app. Okay. Finish. Okay. So what I can do, let me drop HTTP listener. Okay. So we don't need a HTTP listener. Directly what we will do, uh, I will directly drag and drop set payload into the message processor region. I will then let me use variable. I will drag and drop variable before the set payload. So here what I can do, I will set a variable. Let me name the variable name. I will say code. I will directly hard coded the value because we will going to do some simple thing first. I will say test. Okay. And in set payload, what we can do, we can read the value from the flow variable flowars.code. Okay. This is our application. Now, how you can create your M-unit test cases? Simply click on the MuleFlow, right click. You can say M-unit and you can say create new M-unit test cases. So it will create the M. Okay, uh, you can see like it has created the M-unit test case for you. So basically, where you can find this, you can find this in source test M-unit. Okay, I will do. It provide a lot of assets. Okay, so we need to verify something. So I will call assets equal. So first thing, like it was saying what expected value. So what we are expecting in the flow variable, we are expecting test. Okay, and what is the actual value? I will say flow vars dot code. Okay, if in case the expected value and actual value doesn't match, it should display some error message failed. I will say expected value is hash test but received. Okay, I simply save it. I will simply right click and you can run the M-unit suite test. Okay, you can see done. So you can see like it's green. So the test case has been passed. Okay, there is a no error. Everything is fine. Under coverage, you can see the coverage reports. Everything. There is a no error. Everything is fine. You can go to generate report. You can see the report also like application. What is the application? How many flow has been tested? What is the weightage? Everything. You can see everything here. Okay, and okay, now what we will do, we will try to set some wrong value into the variable. I will say test1. I will save the application. Okay, now I will go to the M-unit test. I can right click here also. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me click here, run M-unit suite. So this time, like the variable flow variable and expected value will not match. It should give an error to us. See, now you can see like it's not in green, so it also you can see it failures here. So one failure. Okay, just click on the here and go to error and click on this. You can see like message failed, expected value but received test one. This is the message. Okay, has been displayed. Okay, even go to coverage report, go to generate. It has like it run all the test cases. Okay, but we got one error. Okay, this is how you can create your M unit testing. Okay, and we will going to have a more videos coming in the future for on the M unit. Okay, thanks for watching video.